Apollo 11, Houston, we are go for undocking, over.
Roger, understand. That's it. Starting a trim maneuver to X-Cal attitude. Houston, Columbia.
Go ahead, Columbia, over.
Roger, there'll be no television of the undocking. I have all available windows either full of heads or cameras, and I'm busy with other things.
We concur, over.
Okay.
And Eagle, Houston, we'd like you to select aft Omni-Nan. It'll be good for both the LOS and AOS, over.
Roger, going to aft Omni.
Houston, 1 minute, LOS.
Columbia, right. Hello, Columbia Systems, what can you guys do?
This is Apollo Control. We've had loss of signal now. We'll reacquire the spacecraft again on the 13th revolution in about 45 minutes. At the end of this pass, we passed along the go for undocking. That maneuver will occur just before we reacquire the spacecraft on the 13th revolution, and will be followed in about 30 minutes later by a small separation maneuver performed by Mike Collins in the command module. The checkout of the LEM has been going extremely well, up to now ahead of schedule, and both vehicles look very good. At 99 hours 31 minutes, this is Apollo Control, Houston. This is Apollo Control at 100 hours 14 minutes. We are now less than 2 minutes from reacquiring the spacecraft on the 13th revolution. When next we hear from them, the Lunar Module should be undocked from the Command and Service Module. We're presently about 25 minutes away from the separation burn, which will be performed by Mike Collins in the Command Module, to give the LEM and the CSM a separation distance at the descent orbit insertion maneuver of about 2 miles. We have some times on the upcoming events. The separation maneuver is scheduled to occur at a ground elapsed time of 100 hours 39 minutes 50 seconds. The descent orbit insertion maneuver, which will be performed on the backside of the moon, set for 101 hours 36 minutes 14 seconds. And the beginning of the powered descent at 102 hours 33 minutes 4 seconds. We're now 55 seconds from reacquiring Apollo 11 on the 13th revolution. During this revolution, we will be doing the separation maneuver. We'll also be giving the crew on the Lunar Module a go, no-go for the descent orbit insertion maneuver. We'll stand by now to reacquire the spacecraft. We have confirmation of acquisition of signal. We'll stand by for a call to the crew.
Hello, Eagle, Houston, we're standing by, over. Good. Eagle, Houston, we see you on the steerable, over.
Roger, Eagle, undocked.
Roger, how does it look?
The Eagle has wings.
Roger.
Looking good.
Roger, Neil. We got if you'll give us poo and data, we got the loads for you.
Okay, you've got it, poo and data.
Roger, and let us know when you're ready to copy. We have a DOI pad and the PDI pads, over.
Check our tracking light, Mike. Back off. Okay, I'm ready to start my yaw maneuver if it suits you, Mike. Does it look like you're going to be able to do this without firing any thrusters, Mike? Go ahead, Houston. Eagle is ready to copy.
Roger, Eagle. Coming at you with a DOI pad. 101361407. Down 81. Minus 00758. Plus. All balls. Plus 000908. Plus, correction, 00572.